Tape www.suividécole-au-sénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
I'm back. In our first lesson, we looked at greeting, salutations. How do you greet? What setting to greet? What to say? How to respond? And then we talked about introducing yourself. My name is, my names are, and what about you, sir? And what about you, ma'am? And how to ask how the person is doing. How are you doing? How is business going? And how do you answer in the formal, informal? How is life? What's up? How is everything? How do you answer the formal and the informal? Now we want to talk about bidding farewell, dire au revoir. So how do you excuse yourself in a conversation? How do you leave a conversation? What do you say in order to leave? Comment dire ou comment faire des adieux? We're going to look at the formal and the informal. The formal is quite short, quite simple, as you can see on the board. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, ma'am. Goodbye, Mrs. Paul. Goodbye, Mr. Cher. It was nice meeting you. Now, it was, ce n'est plus, it is nice. Now, it was nice meeting you. Ça a été un plaisir. Ce n'est plus, c'est un plaisir au début. À la fin, on dit ça a été un plaisir. It was a pleasure talking to you. It was a pleasure meeting you. It was a pleasure exchanging with you. Was. Passé. Is. Présent. Au début, in the beginning, it is a pleasure meeting you. It's so lovely meeting you, sir. It's an honor meeting you, sir. Nice meeting you. À la fin, at the end of your meeting, à la fin de rencontre, à la fin des échanges, à la fin de la réunion, it was nice meeting you. It was so nice chatting with you. It was so nice meeting you. It was so nice talking to you. It was so lovely getting to see you. It was such an honor talking to you. Ça a été un plaisir. Ça a été un honneur. Ça a été vraiment merveilleux de faire votre connaissance. Merci pour l'échange. Thank you for the exchange. It was. So it is in the beginning, quand vous venez à peine de faire la rencontre, de vous croiser, on dit is. Parce que ça vient à peine de commencer. Vous venez à peine de le faire. L'action vient à peine d'être prise. Mais à la fin, at the end of it, vous vous apprêtez à partir. It was such an honor. It was such a pleasure. It was so lovely. It was so nice meeting you. Because you're leaving. And then you say goodbye, sir. Au revoir, monsieur. Au revoir, madame. Au revoir, monsieur cher. Au revoir, madame. You know, so it is goodbye. Or good night. Good night. On dit good night, c'est en forme de au revoir la nuit. C'est pas nécessairement pour aller dormir. Mais si par exemple vous visitez quelqu'un le soir et vous vous apprêtez à partir vers 21h, 22h, that you're getting ready to go PM. Night is always PM. À partir de 13h, on lit l'heure comme PM. You say, good night, sir. Because you're leaving et vous allez plus voir la personne peut-être jusqu'à demain. Donc sûrement peut-être la personne s'apprête à dormir. Or maybe the person is getting ready to go to bed. So you would say, good night, sir. Good night, ma'am. Good night. Or you can say farewell. Farewell is when somebody is going for a long time. You can say farewell. You know, when somebody is going for a long time, you say farewell. Farewell. Like voyage, traveling, you say farewell. Until next time. À la prochaine. Until next time. À la prochaine. Until next time. Hope we get to meet again. Hope we meet again. À la prochaine. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day, sir. Passez une bonne journée, monsieur. Passez une bonne journée, madame. Passez une très bonne journée. Have a wonderful day. Have a good day. Have a nice day, sir. Have, c'est passé la journée. Have a good day, sir. Have a good day. Complete sentences. Not just have a good day, but learn to use your sir and ma'am, or call them by their names if you know them. Mr., Mrs., Miss. I'm sorry. Have a good day, sir. Have a good day, ma'am. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. Blessed day. Of course, why not? And then you have, I beg to leave. Excusez-moi, je suis désolée, mais je dois partir. I beg to leave. Leave, c'est partir. Beg, c'est supplier quelqu'un. I beg to leave, je vous en supplie. I beg to leave. With all due respect, I have to leave. I have to leave now. I'm sorry. I have to go. I have to leave. Thank you for having me. Merci de m'avoir eu. Thank you for having me. Thank you for the time. Thank you for having me. You know, that is the formal setting. It's so simple. It's so easy. You just have to be straightforward and complete sentences, okay? And then you come down to the informal, which is often used. You know, instead of saying goodbye, you just cut it. Abbreviations, informal. Bye, night night, see ya. You have catch you, catch ya, catch you later. You know, catch you later. You know, ciao. Have a good one. Instead of saying have a good day, you say have a good one. That's my one. Have a good one. Instead of saying have a good day, say have a good one. See ya. See you soon. À très bientôt. See you soon. See you later. On se voit après. You know, be careful. Sois prudent. Be safe. Sois prudent. Be safe. Be careful. Be safe. You know, take it easy. Vas-y doucement. Take it easy, easy. Take it easy. Toodles. Toodles, ça signifie au revoir. Toodles, toodles. Toodles, guys. Toodles, you know. Then you have sayonara. Sayonara is a Japanese to say goodbye. And oftentimes you use sayonara for someone that is going that you're not going to see for a long while. Maybe people that are traveling abroad that you may not see them after 2, 3, 4, 5 years. You tell them sayonara. It's almost a way of saying farewell. And often we use farewell to people that are deceased, les morts, quand on fait nos adieux. Sometimes you hear people say farewell to you parce que c'est au revoir, you know, farewell. But sayonara is a way of saying goodbye to someone that you may or may not see for a long time, for a while. The person is going to be gone for a while. On utilise sayonara pour les gens, ces personnes qu'on ne va pas voir pendant un bon bout de temps, 2-3 ans. Et on dit sayonara, c'est un mot japonais. Sayonara. And then talk to you next time. On se parle la prochaine. On se parle la prochaine. You know, so long now. And then I gotta go. Je dois partir. I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh, so long. I wrote it twice. I'm sorry. I gotta go. So these are the ways of saying goodbye. Farewell is goodbye. So now you have them. You have a whole bunch of them. Tu en as tellement de différents mots à utiliser pour dire au revoir. C'est formal or is it informal? If it's a formal setting, we already know. What do we say? If it's an informal setting, you already know. What do you say? So don't use goodbye or bye all the time. Change them a little. You know, spice it up a little. Use these vocabularies. Okay, in the formal and the informal setting. Learn the pronunciations properly. Okay, and I'll see you next time. This is Teacher Raissa. Thank you.
Tape www.suivi d'école au Sénégal.